Today, I'm going to show you how to screen record on your Google Pixel 9 device. So I'm using the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. It works the same across the Pixel devices. So if you have a Pixel, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is we want to just go ahead and scroll from the top right corner twice. Okay, and after you do that a second time, you're going to see additional options under quick settings. And you should see, in theory, the screen record option there where it says start. But if you don't have it, you want to just go ahead and tap on this little pencil right here, and then you find the screen record by scrolling up or down, and then select it by long pressing on it, and then move it to the desired location that you want on quick settings. Then just go ahead and press back here, and you should see the screen record option. Okay, so getting into screen recording, we want to go ahead and select it here from quick settings, and then you're going to notice a little drop down. Now it's going to ask you if you want to select a single app or if you want the entire screen to be recorded. Now if you choose single app, it's going to go ahead and give you a list of all the apps installed on your phone that you can select from. But if you just want to record the entire screen, you can go ahead and do that. So we'll select that. And then the next thing that we want to look at is our audio. Do you want audio on when you're recording? So go ahead and toggle that on if you do. And then do you want to have a little circle that shows your touches on the screen when you do move your screen around with your finger? You could toggle that on or off. Okay, we'll just leave it off. And then you will go ahead and press start recording. Okay, so now we know that it's recording because we have the little countdown there, and now the little red circle at the top of our screen with a little white circle in it tells us that it's recording. Okay, so if we want to stop recording, we go ahead and drag down on our screen, and then we go ahead and tap on stop here, and you will notice that it stops recording, and then there are some save options and share options there. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys, and if so, feel free to give me a thumbs up on this video. Thank you so much for watching, and have an amazing day.